Well, hello there. My name is Miss McCarthy. I'm the creator of McCarthyMathAcademy.com. And if you have signed up for a Taking on the Best individual monthly membership and you are ready to upgrade your plan, downgrade your plan, or cancel your plan, but you're not sure how to do that, that's what this video is for. So let me go ahead and walk you through it. All right, so let's go ahead and say that you signed up for the 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade bronze plan. And you realize I actually don't need access to all of these grade levels. I'm a 3rd grade teacher and I only need access to 3rd grade. But you know what? I want to upgrade to the 3rd grade gold plan. All you gotta do is just send me an email and let me know exactly what you would like to upgrade to. Or if you have too much access, you're not using all the resources and you'd like to save some money so you'd like to downgrade, just send me an email to let me know that too. Now I wanted to point out this page because, which you can find right here, if you are at Florida Best and just go to sign up one user, it'll take you to where you can sign up. Don't do anything on this page except to explore and just see what it is that you want, because this page will remind you what each tier is, what the bronze includes, what the silver includes, and what the gold plan includes. I also have videos walking through each and every plan, so you can definitely check those videos out too. Okay, you'll also see the pricing for it down here, and right here it says want access to just one grade. Click here and it will take you to the prices and the breakdown for each grade level. So that way when you email me to let me know how you would like to upgrade or downgrade your plan, you know exactly what it is that you're looking for and I will take care of it on my end for you. The next thing that you might be thinking is, how do I cancel my plan? I don't really need access to this anymore. How do I do this? And it's super easy, y'all. All you gotta do is just scroll down to the bottom of any page on the website. Right here it says cancel my membership. I'm gonna do that. And then you just simply input your email address into this box right here and click cancel subscription. Okay, so I have just inputted my email address. I'm gonna click cancel subscription and there we go. Now what you should see here is that your subscriptions have been canceled successfully. If you got this message, you should be good to go. If you did not get this message, maybe it says that there is no email associated with this account, send me an email, let me know that you're trying to cancel but you're having a hard time, and I will look up your membership and cancel it on my end, okay? Super simple, no hassle. I'm not gonna ask you why you're canceling. It's totally fine. I get it. Sometimes we need to move on. So there we go. So that's it. Upgrading, downgrading, canceling your membership. It's a piece of cake. And if you have any issues at all, you just send me an email and that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you out. I hope that you found this video to be helpful and thanks so much for watching.